So, hi everyone. This is my topic 3 discussion question 1, the field prediction. It's for the prediction part of the DQ. So I decided to pick the data set from Kaggle. My data set is the rainfall in a certain place. So up here is I'm setting up everything. So I'm having everything imported in order to have the thing go through. This part here, I'm reading the CSV so you can see it here. Here it's easier to see if there's any empty columns, so I wrote in the piece of code to see if there's any columns. Okay, and then instead of having yes and no, if there was fields or not, I put 0 and 1. It's easier to see numbers rather than a yes and no. So that's seen here. This part right here is the prediction data from the 1900s through each month of the year. So 1901, 1902, 1903, 1904, 1905, so that's all there. Here I'm labeling the data for it, so it reads that out from here. So yes, there was a flood in 1901, yes, there was a flood in 1902, yes, there was a flood in 1903, yes, there was a flood in 1904, no, there wasn't a flood in 1905. So next part is I'm implementing the plots. So here is that piece of code. Here I'm showing you graphs of each plot for January, June, July, August, September. So that's during rainy season. Down here, I'm scaling it between 1, 0, and 1. So that's this part. Here, so I use 2 different prediction methods so that I will show going down. So here I'm implementing model selection neighbors and then the test train split. And then these, and the X train, X test, Y train, Y test is all having the number C and see how everything works. And the train is doing, as you can see, these are the years, and this is if it filled up. So the next part is the prediction. So my first one is the KIN classifier. So that would be this one, and the prediction is right here. And then this is the prediction. So the zeros are no and the ones are yes. And then the actual values of fields here, and then yes or no, and then. Then I do the value scores, so the accuracy, which is 0.83, which is right here. The second part, the second prediction program I did was logistic regression. So it's the same as before, but different coding. Same thing. So the accuracy is 0.75. The prediction for the flood. And then the actual, so the difference, you see the differences here. And then all the accuracy, the recall, and the work form. And then here I compared both prediction models, and as you can see, the values here show you the difference between the two for the score. And then for me, because I like to see it visualized, I did it easier so you can see 0.83 and then 0.91 for the KNN is 0.83, and then the logistic regression is 0.91. Hi, so this is the second part of the second question of the topic 3 DQ1 about the predictions probability. So for this one, I chose a healthcare dataset stroke one. So right here, this is all the setup for implementing everything. And here, it's reading the CSV file. Here, it's keying out the data that I don't technically need. So it's all there. For here, it's plotting the thing to see if the stroke had a stroke or if they didn't. Down here, this is a heat map showing whether or not they bound to have one or bound not to have one based on certain things. This is me setting up for the models. So for the models, I did 2 separate ones, so this is all the setup for that as well. So the first one I did was the SVM algorithm. So this is setting it up. This would be the output, so the accuracy is 0.81, precision 0.91, recall is 0.81, and the F1 star is 8.5. The classification is here. The confusion matrix is here as well. The second one I did was the decision tree one. So that's all here, and it's the same thing with different numbers. So, yeah. The point was to figure out which one was better to predict, to use to predict the shows.